Hello guys, welcome to my presentation on Python programming, and the topic of the PPT is difference between tuple and list. Python offers several built-in data structures. Among these, list and tuple are two commonly used sequential collections. Though similar in many ways, they differ in key aspects. This presentation explores both structures in detail, comparing their properties, uses, and performance. This slide tells about what is list. List is mutable ordered sequence of elements, and the syntax of list is defined using square brackets. Now, what is tuple? Tuple is immutable ordered sequence of elements, and the syntax of tuple is defined using parentheses. Here is some example on tuples. This slide tells us about syntax of list and tuples and also the declaration of both. Here are some features such as syntax, empty syntax, mixed type and nested of both list and tuple. This slide tells us about methods available that are used on list and tuples. Operations such as add element, list uses append and extend, whereas tuple does not support. Second operation, remove element, list we can use remove and pop on list, whereas tuple does not support any operation for remove. Other methods like sort and reverse used for list, and tuple only count an index. Performance comparison between list and tuple. Tuple have smaller memory footprint than list, faster than lists due to immutability. Tuple are better for fixed collection. Here is example of both list and tuple. Use case of both list and tuple. Use case of list. First, dynamic collections. To-do list, cards, changing dataset. Second, frequent add or delete operations. And now, use case of tuples. First, fixed data like days of week, database records, and constants. Second, when data integrity and speed matter. Here are some advantages and disadvantages of list and tuples. First, mutability. List is mutable whereas tuple is immutable. Second, speed. Slower due to dynamic erasure, fast due to immutability. Memory uses. Consumes more memory. Memory efficient. Functionality. Offers many methods in list. Tuple, limited methods are available. Data protection. In list, prone to unintended changes, whereas tuple is safer and data is protected from changes. Here is when to use and what. Choose list when data is expected to change or you need rich methods for manipulation. Choose tuple when data should remain constant and you care about performance and memory. Here is conclusion part. List and tuple serves different purposes in Python. Understanding their differences helps in writing clean and efficient code. Takeaway: use list for flexibility and tuple for safety and performance. And now here is end of my PPT. Thank you for your valuable time.